Poley.
The midday train came rolling into town, and as it neared the station, the engineer slowed down. A gray old man slowly stepped down from the train. The engine blew its whistle and soon was gone again. He looked at me so eagerly, like I was someone he might know, for he remembered all the people that lived here long ago, and he remembered all the little things a kid knows in his town. Then moving to a railway farm, the tired old man sat down, and he said, chickens always come back home to roost, and the place where a man is born seems always missed. He said, I've seen the world and done most things a man could ever do. And he said, chickens always come back home to roost. And he said, chickens always come back home to roost, and the place where a man is born is always best. He said, I've seen the world and done most things a man could ever do. And he said, chickens always come back home to roost.